Hyderabad City Commissioner of Police Sri Anjani Kumar inaugurated Join the Fight Against Stroke, a brain stroke awareness program launched by Yashoda Hospitals on the occasion of World Stroke Day.
Great privilege for me to have been invited and share the dais with so many luminaries who are giving life to people. When I was in school, I think class 7th or 8th, I used to read Reader's Digest. Monthly magazine was very popular then. Now people don't read because now everything is on television. I remember one of the cover page of Reader's Digest had mentioned, "Who is great, God or Coolie?" That was the title. It was reference to Dr. Denton Coolie of USA, who was the leading heart surgeon of the world then, and who had saved thousands of lives by performing open heart surgery, which was then the upcoming new thing in the world. Today, and earlier also, I have been interacting with Dr. G.S. Rao Garu, and when I see that the system of treatment, system of response to a life-threatening symptoms or disease, how it has evolved in the last few years, and how a place like Hyderabad has become international in this subject. And I am really delighted to share and realize that Yashoda Group of Hospitals, the name which they have got, all of you have created, it is something for the entire city and the state of Telangana to take pride in. All the credit goes to the team of doctors, the technicians, and above all, the management which has created an atmosphere where excellence has to survive.
Yashoda Hospitals has a dedicated team of experienced stroke neurologists who are working to prevent strokes and provide the best treatment for stroke patients nationwide. They are the first in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh to have introduced Stroke Care on Wheels, which helps in providing specialized, brain-saving care to stroke victims before they even get to the hospitals.
కొత్త రకాలైనవి చూపించాను మీకు. హార్ట్ అటాక్ లాగా బ్రెయిన్ అటాక్ కూడా ఉందండి. ఇందులో పెద్ద సైన్స్ ఏం లేదు. హార్ట్లో బ్లాక్ అయినట్టు బ్రెయిన్లో కూడా బ్లాక్ అవుతుంది. ఓ ఇంజక్షన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు, లేదంటే దాన్ని క్లాట్ను తీసేయచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇప్పుడు స్టంట్లు వేస్తున్నాం కదా, అట్నే ఈ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ రేడియాలజిస్ట్ వారు స్టంట్లు వేస్తారు. మన న్యూరోఫిజిషియన్స్ అందరూ కూడా దానికి ఒక కోఆర్డినేటెడ్ ఎఫర్ట్గా మంచిగా చేస్తుంది. అందుకని మంచి రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తున్నాయి. మా రిక్వెస్ట్ మీతో ఏంటంటే, హార్ట్ అటాక్ మన తెలంగాణలో మంచి పాపులర్ అయిపోయింది. హార్ట్ 100% చిన్న డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లలో కూడా క్యాత్ ల్యాబ్లో అట్లా డెవలప్ అయింది. అది అవేర్నెస్తో డెవలప్ అయింది, అంటే పేషెంట్స్కు అవేర్నెస్ వచ్చింది. అట్లనే ఈ హార్ట్ అటాక్ కూడా మీరు అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకురావాలనేది ఈ సదస్సు యొక్క ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం.
Thrombolysis and pre-hospital care will be delivered in the ambulance on the road after careful scrutiny. The patient will be closely monitored by a team of trained doctor, critical care nurse and EMT during and after the thrombolysis.
Discuss about the stroke. So all over the world, 29th October is being observed as a World Stroke Day. This is to increase stroke awareness among patients, general public and the treating medical fraternity.
Recent statistics show that the incidence rate of stroke in India is between 145 to 154 per 1 lakh individuals a year. It is also noted that close to 1/5 of first-time stroke patients were aged 40 years or less.
How technology is being used in policing to make life safe for community, to make life simple for community. One small example, we have 21 services of police service which are available in Me Seva platform. For example, if somebody loses a document, he need not go to the police station to register a case. it can be done through Me Seva Kendra. So in the last 2 years, we have saved almost 5,000 FIRs. I would relate it to every FIR is also an expenditure for the government, because you have to investigate, you have to send a team. After all, it is all public exchequer, your money. Similarly, today when senior doctors were talking about the golden hours, 1 hour or 4 hours, whatever is the golden hour for brain stroke, apart from health and life, it is also related to economics of the country. If a person, because of lack of timely treatment, becomes invalid, it is also an economic drain on the country. And so not only you are saving life, not only you are saving happiness for the family, but you are also generating wealth for the country. That is a great achievement by institutions like Yashoda. Average life expectancy because of various things is going up and high. As a result, need of medical help will also become more and more, because elderly people will require more health, more facility. And when we see how things are happening in USA, Canada, Western countries, in many fields there is no retirement age. Like the Supreme Court judge in the USA, he never retires. He is working till he dies or he himself chooses to withdraw. Because the mental condition, the health condition of those people are so good. They are contributing to the nation's growth, nation's development. In India also, it is not that after 60 people are stopping contributing. It is now becoming more and more higher and higher. So in this competitive field, earlier school used to compete with each other. When we were in school, competition, inter-school competition. One city now the cities are competing with each other. Hyderabad is competing with Bangalore. Hyderabad is competing with Delhi, Bombay. Hyderabad is competing in IT world with Paris, London, France. So when so much of competition is there, we cannot afford to lose a single life, because every life counts for nation development. And that is why no amount of word of praise is enough for all of you, for all the doctors here, your entire team, because you are the foundation which creates faith, which creates an atmosphere of positivity. When I mentioned about Dr. Denton Cooley and God, the comparison was more because it has the element of faith and trust. Why do people go to Tirupati? Why do people go to Yadgiri Gutta? Why do people go to Vemulwada? Because they have faith and trust that yes, something good will happen. You create that faith and trust. That is why this has to go up in order to make our country, our state Telangana, more happy, more safe, and more prosperous. Thank you so much.